Let me tell you how I did that. Day one, I got inside of this community and I jumped into the mentoring Zooms. I followed the 2-hour workflow. Obviously, I couldn't do it all in 2 hours at once. So I spread it throughout my day. 30 minutes in the morning while I was getting ready, I was listening to a training. I got in the car on the way to my first job. I was listening to trainings. During my lunch hour, I was either plugged into trainings or I was creating content. I was always doing something in my downtime. Everybody has extra time, whether you realize it or not, but you will find it. I literally was working 18 hours a day between those two jobs for 3 years straight. I was burned out. I was over it. I was tired of struggling. And honestly, 2 jobs still wasn't enough. It was not enough for a family of 4. So this was my Hail Mary. This was, all right, Amy, you're going to find you again. You're going to find that inner strength and you're going to do something that you know nothing about, but you're going to give 110% to it for 2 hours every single day. And that's exactly what I did. I just followed the program step by step every single day. When I was told to jump, I said, how high? When I was told to do this, I did it, right? I plugged into those free live Zooms. I asked questions.